Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about the upcoming update for Hamster Kombat, a major update that will completely transform Season 2, from gameplay to how you collect coins and a whole lot more. Big changes are coming, and they're going to make this season totally different. You might have thought the current season was already the new one, but it turns out that what we've been playing is just a preview of what's to come. These are the images Hamster Kombat shared about the new season, and as you can see, there's a massive overhaul to the app's design. In today's video, I'll break down the key points of this new update, including whether you can really earn profits this season, how it compares to the previous one, and ways you can maximize your earnings. But before we dive into all that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily uploads. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now let's jump right into it. Just hours. Hamster Kombat dropped a video on their official Telegram channel, announcing a new update. These are the images from their video. To help you understand what this update is all about, think of it like a revamped version of Hamster Kombat with daily combos, daily ciphers, and daily activities. Plenty of games to keep you engaged. But the coolest part of this new update? You'll actually be able to create your own games within the bot itself. Yes, if you're a developer or have any programming skills, you can build and design your own game directly inside the bot. And here's the kicker. Other players can jump in and play your game, earning you coins along the way. Take a look here. This is the developer section where it walks you through setting up your project. You've got a timer for development, which in this example shows 4 days and 20 hours. The profit you could earn from it? A whopping 800,000 coins. That's pretty wild, right? Now, as you can see, we've still got hamster coins in the game, but there's also a new type of currency showing up. And with the increase in potential profits, I'm betting this will have a big impact on the economy of the game. In this area, you can see a feature hinting at higher profits. I'm trying to highlight that for you. Zooming in a bit, you can spot areas like the playground, office, shop, and friends section. In the playground, you'll find the games you can play, and many of these will include paid features that you'll buy using hamster coins. That's why they said in the last season that holding on to hamster coins would be important for this season. With more people needing coins to buy items in these games, demand will rise, and so will the coin's value. There's also an office section where you'll manage your projects and earnings. Plus, there's a shop for in-game purchases, and of course, a section for friends and airdrops. I believe this update is shaping up to be incredibly smart and well-designed. We're also seeing a new character system being teased, where each character will have a price tag, adding another layer to the game. Now, everything I'm sharing with you is based on the images we've got. Nothing official yet, but it's clear this new season is going to bring a lot of fresh, exciting features. Here's a quick snapshot where they talk about starting a new project. You can see that 4 games have already been created, and there's 1 in progress. This shows us that a lot of new content is on the way, with even more to come as the season unfolds. For those of you who've been holding on to your hamster coins, great move. You'll likely benefit a lot from this update. And for those who've been saving up, this could be a fantastic opportunity to profit as the coin value rises. That's all for today's video. We'll keep you posted on all the latest updates and news as they come out. If you're excited for the new season, let me know in the comments. And if you're not that interested, drop a comment as well. I'd love to know what you're looking forward to. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.